I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Infiniti key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. This common battery type is readily available at most stores. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can easily complete this task in just a few minutes. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key might slide out. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic casing can be delicate. The goal is to create a small gap to access the interior. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver or even your fingernail. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented. Usually, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click. This confirms that the fob is securely closed and sealed. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your vehicle's doors. You should find that your key fob is now fully operational and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.